Hi there. In this video, we will discuss some advantages and beauty uses for milk. And also, is raw milk good for our skin? What nutrients are present in raw milk? Does it help you look younger? Is raw milk harmful to our health when ingested? Stay tuned as we discuss this and more. Even though boiled milk is not as nutrient-dense as fresh milk, boiled milk is healthy for human consumption. We normally pamper our skin with natural ingredients because they contain important minerals. Milk is beneficial to our welfare, and it keeps us fit from the inside out. But that isn't all. Milk is also a natural beauty enhancer that leaves the skin looking perfect and radiant over time. It contains essential vitamins that are good for your health. Milk contains vitamin A, which aims to cure dryness and flaky skin, and the high antioxidant content nourishes the skin from inside, keeping it safe and moisturized during the day. Nobody can deny that raw milk has many health benefits. It is a necessary dietary supplement that strengthens bones and aids in physical and mental development. Raw milk is also the perfect acne treatment since it softly exfoliates and heals breakouts. It also helps to avoid further breakouts and blemishes. Furthermore, raw milk tends to tighten pores and decreases sebum development. This truth will always be a health and beauty secret for you. Now, let's discuss the advantages of milk in skin care. Milk is high in vital nutrients and can help the skin in a variety of ways. The main nutrient in milk is vitamin D, which not only strengthens your bones, but often accelerates collagen development, inhibits aging and wrinkles, reduces dark spots and acne, and promotes skin elasticity. To mention a few, milk also contains vitamin B6, which facilitates the development of fresh cells, biotin, which revitalizes the skin, proteins and vitamin B12, which aid in the lightening of skin tone and the treatment of unevenness, lactic acid, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and selenium are also present. As a result, milk can be used in a variety of ways to keep the skin safe and happy. Raw milk makes an amazing beauty supplement. We will now unfold 12 amazing uses of raw milk that you were possibly unaware of. These are given further in this video. 1. Skin cleanser. It's amazing to know that a little mixing of ingredients can turn a single product into a decent toner, moisturizer, and cleanser. Raw milk provides unparalleled skin cleaning by thoroughly cleansing the pores of extra fat, sebum, oil, and also blackheads. Do you prefer your milk raw or boiled? Which of the two do you think is beneficial to your overall health? Share your thoughts in the comments below. 2. Skin toner. One of the richest suppliers of moisturizing ingredients is raw milk. You've already read a couple of posts on the internet warning you not to use milk as a toner if you have oily skin. However, it is for the boiling version, not the raw version. Raw milk is an excellent skin toner for all skin types. 3. Anti-acne agent. Raw milk has anti-acne properties. It extracts extra oil while still preventing skin dryness. This naturally holds acne at bay. The skin is neither too oily nor overly dry. As a result, the problem of acne caused by oiliness and dryness is over. 4. Anti-tanning agent. Raw milk is the ultimate anti-tan agent. It can be used with tomato juice to create a fantastic anti-tan face pack. This natural substance allows you to get rid of your entire body tan. 5. Moisturizer. Moisturization is one of the most important raw milk advantages. This isn't exactly a hidden advantage of raw milk. Raw milk nourishes deeper skin layers while both conditioning and moisturizing from inside. It also effectively addresses the widespread issue of winter dryness. You should expect lovely, well-toned and moisturized skin in all seasons if you use natural raw milk as face masks. If you are enjoying this content, why not smash the like button, subscribe to support the channel. Also, hit the bell icon to be notified of our newest videos. 6. Fairness agent. Raw milk has a soft toning effect on the face. It is an unrivaled fairness agent that regulates tyrosine secretion in the human skin. Tyrosine is a melanin-regulating hormone that can cause skin darkening. The use of raw milk on the skin reduces tyrosine secretion, hence making the skin fair and beautiful. It can also be used to remove grease and dirt from the hands. Raw milk is also a wonderful fairness agent that can be mixed with sandalwood to further enhance its fairness benefits. 7. Adds radiance. It is useless to have light skin that is not radiant. Raw milk helps skin glow by combating two of the most common cosmetic flaws, black circles and acne scars. As a result, it lightens and brightens the complexion by up to 3 shades. 8. Adds glow. When combined with sugar flakes, raw milk gives the skin an endless glow. It brightens the skin and reduces noticeable symptoms of dryness. As a result of using this amazing face firming agent daily, your skin will shine. 9. Anti-aging agent. This great toner is also a natural anti-aging agent. To make a successful anti-aging face mask, combine raw milk and mashed banana. It makes sunspots, fine lines, peeled skin, and wrinkles less visible. With this ultimate age-destroying agent, you will remove the look of 5 years from your forehead. 10. Comfort bath. Fill a bathtub with water and add 1 to 2 liters of raw milk, a few rose petals, and a few teaspoons of lemon juice to build the Cleopatra bath in the warmth of your own house. 11. Natural sunscreen. Raw milk is not only a tan reversing agent, it can also shield the skin from sun damage. Combine raw milk and curd in a bowl and add evenly to your face 30 minutes before and after going out in the sun. It forms an impressive defensive sheath around your skin, shielding you from sun exposure for up to 4 hours. 12. Treats dry skin. These incredible raw milk skin advantages are the most risk-free methods of achieving smooth, youthful skin. Keep skin damage at bay with these raw milk face mask recipes. You should also replace water with 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw milk in each of your usual face packs, and let the raw milk work its magic on your skin. So, why is there another delay? You should be aware of the advantages of raw milk for skin and makeup applications. Have you ever used raw milk to treat your oily skin? Continue to experiment with milk, and you'll be on your way to radiant, sparkling skin that complements your fabulous looks.